Hi guys, welcome back. This is Campbell. Thanks for tuning in. Now this is part 2 of how to rank your blog post for SEO, and this is a post I'm just about to publish. As you can see, it's called How to Retire at 50, and that is the keywords. And so I just want to show you how I've structured it. So that's the title. Straight under it in heading 1, like the largest heading that you can do, I've got the same keywords. Then it's just a bit of an introduction. Now in this first paragraph, you want to have those keywords as well. So there they are there, how to retire at 50. Okay, in the first paragraph you want that. Just going to backspace that. Okay, now here they are again, how to retire at 50. And as you'll see, they're actually also embedded in the text here. I'm not sure exactly where they are, but basically I've put one in each under each category. So as you can see, there's a category there, just got 3 short paragraphs, another category, 3 short paragraphs, another category, 2 short paragraphs, and there again another keywords. Now so we've got the keywords, that's just heading 3, up here was heading 2, and there's heading 1, and there's the top. So I've got it 3 times in the 3 different types of headings and all the way down. And that's basically how you structure it. Now I just want to show, I use Yoast SEO. Now there's my readability analysis. So everything's good, it's just saying I need some more transition words. That's not a biggie. Now the SEO analysis, if we click this, you see, okay, so what I've done here is I haven't set up any of the keywords, so Yoast is not sure at this point what it's looking for, what keywords. So all you do, go up the top here, copy your keyword, and Yoast is free, guys. It's a really good SEO tool. If you're using WordPress, it's a free plugin. Just search for Yoast SEO. And then here, if you put under focus key phrase, now it knows, now Yoast knows what you're searching for. As you can see, the slugs over here, how to retire at 50, how to retire at 50. Now if we click on here, we'll see that it doesn't like this. So what we'll do for the SEO title is we just again paste that in, and with Yoast you've got to get this to green. Okay, so we just put in a bit of extra text. So it's how to retire at 50, using the there you go. And now we've got a green light, and that's good. And then the next one is just the meta description. So again, we just paste in the keywords. Now I just do that so I know that they're in there, and you can put text in front or behind, guys. So I'll just go and write something in there. Okay, so I've just written a few words there. So many people today are sick of their jobs and want to know how to retire at 50, the keywords, or younger, and today it's within everyone's reach. Okay, so just doing that, letting Yoast know what to look for. You'll see as I come down here, everything's gone green. Okay, so it's saying that that we've got the right amount of keywords, the right amount of density, key phrase lengths, all this stuff. So everything's gone green. The only things that haven't is we've got here image attributes and links, which I haven't done yet. So obviously what we need to do is add an image or 2. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay guys, so I've got my pictures. Now if you need to get pictures, you need to make sure that they're copyright free, so that you're allowed to actually use them on your website. And the site I use most often is just called Pixabay, P-I-X-A, Bay, and it's completely free. So check that out to get your photos. Now what I'm going to do here is, first of all, on the side here, I'm just going to click document. That just brings up all these different options. Now what I want to do is copy this again, this keyword, and I'm just going to put it in on my marketing, and we want to paste that in as the tag. Paste. And now here underneath we want to set the featured image, so I'll click on that. I've already uploaded the pictures in, so for our featured image I'm going to do this one. Now over here you'll see you've got alternative text and description. Now I always just paste the keywords into the description, and for the alternative text that's supposed to be just describing what the picture is so that Google knows what the photo is representing. So it's basically the same as the title. One other thing, guys, to remember is when you download these photos, they'll come with you know, all these a title with all numbers and dashes and things in the actual title. You want to rename your pictures. Always rename them before you upload them onto your website, and just name them something that, you know, describes. I wouldn't be, if you put your keywords in the alt text, unless it's actually got something to do with the text, it'll actually go against you with your SEO, because I'll think that you're just, you know, spamming words. Alright, so we hit select, and that will bring up our featured image. Now the featured image is the one that actually shows on your blog, you know, in your menu of all your blog posts. So that's one picture. The next one here, excuse me, I'm just going to put it next to here. How to retire, have a great lifestyle. Where are all my pictures gone? I was actually going to use that one, so again paste the keywords into the description, and we'll just put up here hammock. Insert that. Now I normally, okay, we've got two here for some reason. You just click on them and backspace, and that'll delete the pictures if you do that. When you click on it, you get a few options. I normally make my pictures just at about 400. Whoops. See the little numbers there? So I'd go about 400, and then depending on where you want it, this means these lines mean text. So if you put this one on there, it'll be on the right of the text. I mean the left and the right, or centered, and this will put it between the text. So if we center it, it just puts it like that, puts the text next to it. Come down here and I'll put picture number 2 in. Now I've forgotten what picture it was because it all seems to be different. I may have lost my pictures. Where are they? Okay, just 1 minute there, guys. Okay, for some reason I lost my picture. I just had to upload it again. So again, we just paste that in there. The alt text, we'll just put plain takeoff. Okay, insert that. Where did I put it? Down here. Now these pictures as well, just try and get pictures that, you know, kind of represent what you're talking about. I'm obviously talking about retirement, so my photos have got sort of to do with freedom, you know, travel. You know, you can travel when you retire if you've got money. And this one, you know, obviously again the lifestyle retirement. On my alt, people do like to see faces. I just couldn't find any good ones, but that's a good one of a couple. But people do like to see faces in photos as well, something to keep in mind. Okay, now I'll come down here, we'll have a look at the SEO, and as you can see, alt image, so I'll just update that. And what I've got, images on this page do not have attributes that reflect the topic of your text. Okay, so what I'll do here is, see, this is how to retire at 50. So if we just, don't think I can edit it. No, I can't. Oh, okay, I can do the alt text. Okay, so we'll just put how to retire at 50. It just does this sometimes, just for SEO circumstance, you know, for SEO, it's just making sure that we've got enough repeats of those keywords And I'll do the same here. Now what I often do is just leave the text and then just put the keywords behind it. Okay, update that, update this, and let's have a look what Yoast says. So come down here, SEO, as you can see, that's gotten rid of that now. So now all it wants is some links basically. So I'll come back in 1 second. Okay guys, so what I've done, you can see this is my post. Now underneath, this is basically what I do under all my blog posts. This is just related to the actual post, so that's really not part of it. But okay, so as you can see, the first thing here is check out my post is a lifestyle business for you. So that's another one of my posts, and because this one's talking about retirement, it's something that's related, you know, so link another one of your posts, you know, to each post you do, but just make sure that they're related. So you just like click the button here, and if you click this little cog, you'll see it should populate. It should populate. Okay, what's going on there? Okay, so here they've come. So you can see this just lists all the other posts that I've got. So you just go down and find the post that you want to link, add the link, and that's done. So that's what we've got. We've got a link to another one of our posts, and I just have, you know, my sign off. Now down here, this is connected to my home page. This is connected to my About Me page, so they're both internal links. This is an external link because that goes to Facebook. That's to my Facebook page. It just says, or my Facebook fan page. It just says connect with me. And this is my offer down there. And now up here you can see this isn't linked yet. Now this is how to retire at 50. Okay, now this post that I'm doing at the moment is how to retire at 50. So the reason that I do that is because now what will happen is that basically if people click on that, it'll take them back to the top of the post. So it's basically a way that people can get up to the top of the post easily, and it's also another internal link. So we'll hit update and we'll go and have a look at what Yoast says. Okay, we've got green and we've got green. So look at that, 100% for SEO title for the SEO. Almost 100% for readability. It's just transition words. It's just that's just the way when you write as far as linking the previous paragraph to the next one. So I could go through there and I could sort of change a bit of the text if I wanted to, but really it's a very good, you know, there's only one improvement that they're saying. So that's all good, guys. So that's how you set out your blog posts so that they get ranked in SEO. This was obviously using Yoast, which is free. It's a free plugin if you're using WordPress. And basically the way it's set out is all to just let the internet search engines or their bots, it's to let them know exactly what this post is about. So when people put in this keyword, the bots will say, yes, this one is, you know, this post is about that because we've got it in the text, we've got it in the heading, we've got it in the pictures, and so it'll rank up in the web pages. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. So yeah, get out there and write some blog posts, and I'll be back soon with some more videos. Have an amazing day. Bye now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like my content, please share it around. Have an amazing day.